This is Thursday Inspiration. Welcome guys to the Thursday Inspiration. First and foremost, from my family to yours, we wish you a very Happy New Year 2018. That was my sister. I hope you already had your detailed goal set for this brand new year. If you have not done that yet, please sit down and write down your goals for 2018 in every aspects of your life, whether that's career goal or relationship, financial, social, intellectual, or personal. Write down your goals and break them down to monthly goals and then break them down again to daily goals. As you must know, smaller daily actions repeated over time leads to humongous results. I'll repeat that. Smaller daily actions repeated over time leads to humongous results. That was a quote from Robin Sharma. Go ahead and set your goal, write them down, and start acting on it. With that being said, this is Thursday Inspiration, my friends. As I said on last episode, Thursday Inspiration are quick 5 to 10 minute episode where I share with you my insights from my guests, inspiring stories and tips to help you become better every single day. I hope you will enjoy this. Let's begin.
You are not good enough.
You cannot do that.
Your idea sucks.
Are you stupid?
You are gone mad.
Does that sound like something that you hear all the time from people around you? Sometimes the ones that you trust the most, such as your family member or best of the friends, when you share your idea with them. That happens, right? We are primed in our society that way. All we have heard as a kid is we are not good enough, we cannot have bigger dreams, we cannot afford to have luxury life, and we are not powerful enough, and so on. It's not true, and that doesn't matter. The only voice that matters and should matter is what you tell to yourself. Because what you tell yourself every day will either lift you up or tear you down. It's up to you where you wanna be. Do you want to grow, achieve success, and climb up in the ladder of life? Then, my friend, choose your words wisely. That's the beginning of all the greatness that's passionately waiting to be expressed in your life. Words have power to make you or break you. Choose your words wisely. When you say, "I'm not good enough" several times, you will eventually accept that you are not good enough. And my friend, that's when you will stop trying and putting on the work to become good enough. When you say, "I cannot focus on my work" number of times, you eventually will have the problem to focus on your work, and you will believe that you cannot focus on your work. There's this popular story about an elephant calf being tied with a small rope on a small tree as a kid. That calf tries harder to break that rope with everything it has got, but with repeated trials, it fails. It tries and it tries and it tries to break that rope and that tree, but it fails. Because it's just that kid, calf, small elephant baby, right? And as it grows, it stops giving it a try to break that rope, because by that time it has believed that it cannot break that rope and that tree. And even when that calf turned into giant animal with unlimited power, it does not try to break that rope, because there is that thought. That power is not being expressed just because there's that thought. Elephants have that it cannot break that rope that was built into its mind as a kid, because it tried as a kid several times, but it could not break that rope and that tree. Now it has it in his head that it cannot break that rope. So how long are you gonna let those thoughts from expressing the unlimited power that you have within yourself? For how long, my friend? How long? Trust me, my friend, I'm here to tell you, you are good enough. You have everything that you need to make the impact in this world. It's just that you don't have discovered that yet. But that doesn't mean you don't have it. Start saying yourself the right things. Be choosy of what you say to yourself, because every single word matters. Yes, it does. Have positive self-talk. Replace your I'm not good enough with I'm good enough. Replace your I don't know how with I will find out how. Replace your bigger dreams are not for me with I must turn this bigger dream into reality, because everything is possible if you could just believe that. Choose your words wisely. Thank you for listening to this Thursday inspiration. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure that you share this with your friends and family by visiting theinspiringtalk.com/17, and make sure that you join me this Monday for interview with amazing guests like I do every Monday. So till then, I'll see you. Thank you for listening. I'll catch you in the next. And now, go out there and do something inspiring.